Hello everyone and welcome to yet another K2 tutorial video, and this time we would be looking at some of the features shown on the stock information section. So let's begin. In order for us to see this section, we should press the stock information tab seen on the upper left of the screen. Here is an example of what you would be able to see in this section. Have this stock, for example, Apple. You can see its stock overview, and it includes different information that would brief you with what the stock or company is all about. You will be able to see the stock symbol, the unique animal classification it belongs to, company name, industry, sector, and business overview. If you wish to read more about the company, you may just press the More button and it will show more information. Next, we go on to the middle chart. This would be able to supply you with the information regarding the share price of the stock and its comparison to previous days. If you hover on the chart, it will show you the closing price of each previous day. The chart on the right shows the share price performance of Apple and other top performing same sector stocks. And if you hover on the chart, you would see Apple's performance besides other top performing stocks data. Now, if you want to have a clear view of the stock's historical data, then you may just press the stock's price and it will automatically direct you to our charting platform. Here, you may do all kinds of stuff for your technical analysis. You can go ahead and just explore this feature all by yourself. Moving on, let me show you another feature of this section, and that is the share price range. As you can see, we provide information for the 1-month range as well as the 3-month range. Here, this would give you an idea if the stock price has become more volatile compared to previous months, as well as knowing the stock price performance throughout the days. Now, this is just the beginning of what you can do with the stock information section of K2. So stay tuned for more and see you on the next video.